Welcome to Eat Your Backyard, my YouTube channel, where I talk about all kinds of cool edible, non-edible plants and trees that I'm interested in. Okay, today we're going to navigate through the mangoes and the starfruit. Oh no, we have mangoes in our starfruit tree. That's why they call it a fruit forest. Over to, what do we have here? Oh, you know. Looks surprisingly like its adult form. Lemons. Lemons. And this lemon tree I've talked a great deal about. But I just threw it over here next to the house and it grew. And it grew and it grew. And now it's producing lots of fruit. Citrus trees, Indian River citrus trees, are typically grafted to some other type of tree, like Indian River fruit stock root. And then it grows out. But this one's doing well, and citrus doesn't really do that well, this area of Florida, just because it is it's very salty here. But the lemon tree, this one survived, so I treasure it. And I also make a lot of lemonade from it. Little Jackie and Jessica and I make a lot of those things. But the problem is it develops a lot of suckers that don't produce much fruit. And those suckers then tend to have many very sharp thorns on them, like the ones that you see here. I mean, now that's a thorn. That's a thorn capable of ruining your day. I claim that's a thorn capable of popping a basketball if it were to insert itself at the correct angle. So don't really want that. If I thought that that was going to produce fruit later, though, maybe I do want it. But general idea is with, I think, fruit trees in general, is that sucker maintenance is something that has to occur. Now that's very interesting. Little fruit coming off of this bad boy. So, you know, these branches can produce fruit, so I don't want to totally wipe them out, but I do want to get rid of any fruit that's going to grow up towards the house. Of course, I mean any branches that are going to grow up towards the house. So now when trimming them, I leave just a little bit of that. You see there, there's this area of callus. I leave a little bit of that, but for the most part, just trim it off. Now, understanding though, I've got kids in the yard, and of course I can't have them stepping on any of these. So anyway, I keep a very careful inventory of what I trim, so that I don't leave anything, and then, you know, little Jack goes running through with bare feet and step on a thorn. That's a scenario I want to avoid every time. But alright, that's a good one. Oh wow, look at the thorns on that thing. Oh, I hope I don't end up getting stuck by it. But already we're starting to see the structure of this thing come to life. These little ones, we'll get them early. They don't have any thorns on them, don't really have to worry about it. This one, see, I'm trimming them close enough that I can get all three of these branches still connected together. I'll take this one out. Alright, so now you start to see it's a much, much better look. And I'll continue this. Now, this is an interesting one because it is one that I trimmed before, obviously, that is coming back. Got it. Just slid the edge of it along there and it came back. I do want grass, but I don't really want it growing up there, so that'll be good. Okay, let's take a look here. We're getting there. We're getting there. Just a couple more. I don't want to go overboard because, like I said, some of these I might want to have continue growing. Most of the others I won't. Okay. Let's see. And this one. You just kind of got to be careful which ones you know, once you trim it, you can't bring it back. So that was a big one. I kind of wish I'd kept that one. Oh well. Alright. Yeah, so I do want to promote it growing out this way. So maybe some of these I'll let grow up, especially since some of them are already showing they can produce fruit. I think this one. This is an interesting one. This one I may try to tilt over, and because it's already kind of getting some size to it, tilt over and and grow the canopy a little bit, just because this is getting a little tired and I want to encourage it. So I'll pick a couple in there that I'll do that with. Like I said, I don't want to go overboard, just a little bit along the base. Keep it away from the house, make it so people can walk through it, and it'll be good. So yeah, stay up on trimming your citrus tree, but you know, don't overdo it. It does also need leaves in order to grow the healthiest fruit possible, and we're on tap to get some beauties out of this one. I'd encourage you to plant a lemon tree. One of the next things I'm going to do, I've decided, I used to have a grapefruit tree and I loved it. It's a very hardy tree, but it just produced a ton of fruit, but it ended up getting knocked over by a hurricane, 3 different hurricanes, and then it died. So I'm going to plant another one, and I'll probably put it back in the corner right there. Not sure yet, but anyway, citrus trees are cool, certainly fun to have. Who doesn't like making their own lemonade from their own lemon tree? So yeah, plant one, grow one, trim it. Watch out for the thorns. If you like these videos, go ahead and subscribe to Eat Your Backyard, and you'll be notified as new videos come out. Also, leave a comment or a thumbs up if you like it down below, and thanks for watching Eat Your Backyard.